Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device. And once you open it up, if you have already been logged into your account, you will directly be taken into the main menu. From this page, if you wish to log out from your account, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will take you into the settings page. From this page, scroll down and you will see the sign out button underneath link account. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out from your account. Go ahead and tap on the sign out button and this will log you out from your game right away and you will end up within the login page once again. You can proceed with logging into your account using Google by tapping on sign in with Google, or you can also tap on play as guest in order to continue playing without logging in through any account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.